जशो तूं डेव्हलपमेंटाचे उलयतलो आयज त्याच्या वांगडा तो बस स्टँड जो आसा तो रिन्युएशन करपाचें म्हणटाले
बस स्टँड जो आसा our department, transport department is taking it under a central scheme. So Mapsa, Panjim as well as Margaon bus stand. These three bus stands are being taken up by central government. Amcha Honorable Mantri Padmavin Budino has assured on the floor of the house that this project is being taken up by the central government. So there is a very good plan. I have just seen a small section of it, but as it gets finalized, I believe there is a private partner who is going to come on board and set up the entire bus stand. With regards to other infrastructure, right now we are completing a major water pipeline overhaul in Mapsa, Angod commercial area, आमचे market area, तशेंच Ganeshpuri, Ekta Nagar, Karaswada, all these areas there is a new water pipeline coming. We can also see infrastructure of overhead tanks and one big tank at Dattawadi that will take care of all the regions, split Mapsa into four. There is one tank at Kolwale boundary next to Kolwale jail that will take care of Kuchilim and Karaswada. There is one tank in Ganeshpuri that will take care of Shelpe Duler. There is one tank at the court area Altin that will take care of Dasawada and lower part of Angod as well as upper part of Altin. Tashat Dattawadi, which is the biggest tank, that will take care of the rest of Mapsa. So हे उदकाचो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जो आसा आमकां खबर आसा वार्षिक उदकाचो विशय जो येता लेस सप्लाय वी हॅव क्रिएटेड इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर टू होल्ड वॉटर. जेन्ना आमकां प्लांटा वयल्यान इश्यूज येता, we see there is a breakdown, we see power fluctuation, pumping जायना, water pipeline is disrupted, खंय ना खंय आमकां स्टोरेज करपा खातीर कांयच प्रोविजन नासलें. वी वर बेसिकली hand to mouth in Mapsa constituency. With this new infrastructure, we will be able to cater a stop-gap mechanism so that we will take up more tanks. आणि ऑनरेबल मंत्री बाब सुभाष शिरोडकर म्हापशा भितर आयिल्लो तेन्ना तेंच्यांनी सजेस्ट केलें खंय जागो आसा जाल्यार आपल्याक म्हापशा खातीर नाल्यार म्हापशा आनी शिवोले खातीर एक स्पेशल प्लांट घालपा खातीर सरकार तयार आसा. So we are in the process of locating that land to provide to WRD so that we can have our own water treatment facility that will take care of Mapsa constituency as a whole. Amka khabar asa Mapsa is growing, being very close to Mopa airport, and the new infrastructure being the first city as you come in from the border. We need to create an infrastructure that will be sustainable. Loka khatir long term jo amcho focus jo asa. That is why we have concentrated on not superficial development but development in terms of power infrastructure. जर आमी पळोवपाक गेल्यार फाटलो एक पावस we have seen the first phase of underground cabling taking place. खुबशे जाग्यांनी people have reported stable power supply during monsoon without any interruption. Of course interruptions आसलेत but not on the scale हाजे पयलीं जशें जातालें त्या स्केलीचेर नासलें, खूब कमी हितून आयलेलें आसा. आनी आतां पूर्ण इलेक्ट्रिकल केबलिंगाचें काम सोंपलेलें आसा. वी एक्सपेक्ट दिस मॉन्सून टू बी इवन स्मूथर. हांव मुद्दम सांगूं सोदता की देर वील बी अनदर फेज ऑफ अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंग दॅट वील टेक प्लेस बट दॅट वील हॅपन एट अ लेटर डेट. म्हाका दिसना इतले बेगीन घेवपाचें आसा. वी कॅन ऑल्सो सी द सिवरेज कनेक्शन सिस्टम that has taken place in Gausawada. I think they have completed around 35 or 40 houses of connections. They have started the plant and they are working with whatever they are getting. So जे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चराचे उलयता the basic infrastructure of water, power, roads and sewage, we are trying to address that before we go into any visual or superficial development.
म्हापशेचे रोडाचे आतां तुमी डांबरीकरणाचे हे घेवपा हातीन घेवपाक हे कशें कितें आसा?
कितें आसा कनेक्शनां दिवसर तेंचे फोडपाचें चालूच आसा. जर आमी रस्ते केले तेंच्यांनी परत फोडले जाल्यार ते पावस मेरेन आमकां रावचें पडटलें रायट अप टील नोव्हेंबर टू गेट दोज रोड्स रिइन्स्टेटेड. आमच्या ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टराक फाटल्या विकान मेळून तेंच्यांनी एक आश्वासन दिल्लेलें आसा की 31 crores वर्थ ऑफ रोड वर्क इज टू बी इनिशिएटेड ओवर द नेक्स्ट 15 days. सो वी कॅन सी कुचेली फ्रॉम कुचेली वाय जंक्शन टू मार्ना हे खूब इम्पॉर्टंट रोड आसा. तो घेवपाचो आहा. बाजारांतलो रस्तो, म्हापसा बस स्टँडाचो रस्तो, यार्डांतलो रस्तो, आंगणींतले रिइन्स्टेटमेंट, गांवसावाडा थोडो पोर्शन कारण ते परत कनेक्शनां दिता ते काम सोंपोंक ना. सिमिलरली वी कॅन सी सम एरियाज इन गणेशपुरी
But they are waiting
It
for
is
inauguration.
ready.
Yeah,
It's
so
not
we
almost ready. We are just waiting for the Honorable Minister to give us a date to come and inaugurate it. We are ready. We are ready to inaugurate the project. The Maksud Municipal Council, along with GSODA, have started the process of the handover so that we can start the next phase of allotting those establishments to people, all those spaces to people, so that the municipality may start earning revenue as soon as possible.